Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect your Huawei Band 8 to an Oppo phone. First, make sure your Huawei Band 8 is fully charged. This ensures a smooth setup. Next, head over to the Google Play Store on your Oppo device and download the official Huawei Health app. It's crucial to grant all requested permissions during installation, as these are essential for the band and phone to communicate effectively and for features like notifications to work correctly. Now let's get them talking. First, activate Bluetooth on your Oppo phone from the Quick Settings or the Main Settings menu. Then open the Huawei Health app you just installed. Inside the app, look for the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom. Tap Add Device, select Smart Bands, and then pick your Huawei Band 8 from the list that appears. A pairing request will pop up on both devices. Confirm it on both to establish the connection. Sometimes, things don't go perfectly the first time. If your devices aren't connecting, try these steps. First, restart both your Huawei Band 8 and your Oppo phone. This often resolves minor glitches. Next, verify that your Huawei Health app is updated to the newest version available in the Play Store. Also, confirm that your band isn't already paired with another phone. As a last resort, consider resetting your Oppo phone's network settings. But remember, this will clear saved Wi-Fi passwords. Congratulations, your Huawei Band 8 is now connected. To ensure continuous data syncing, allow the Huawei Health app to run in the background. You might need to adjust battery optimization settings on your Oppo phone. Dive into the app to customize which notifications you receive, from messages to social media alerts. Explore the vast array of watch faces and health tracking features, like heart rate monitoring and sleep analysis. Remember to regularly check for firmware updates for your band to enjoy new features and improved performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.